Hi, wanna know how to charge your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus? So, as a first step, let's talk about the charging cable. Today, I'll be using this non-original Type-C to USB Type-A cable. So, let's talk about these two sides. As you can see, they are different. And on the left, we got USB Type-C, which we need to plug into our tablet. And on the right, we have USB Type-A, which we need to plug into any source of power. It can be USB head, power bank, power adapter, working PC or laptop, anything. So let me show you where is the charging input on your tablet. It is located on the right side, right where the speakers are. Here is it, how it looks. Now we would need to take our charging cable with the smaller side, Type-C, and then just plug it in. We would need to plug it in and then slightly push on it so it will go to the end like this. And now just let me fastly plug the second side into the USB head. And this is it. As you can see, the charging process has begun and you was able to see this animation which shows 66%, which is the current charge of my tablet now. And also an extra tip, if you would like to know how long it will take to fully charge the tablet, here at the notification panel you can see this notification which is saying charging 1 hour 45 minutes until full. So now let's also talk about the fast chargers. This tablet does support fast charging, but you would need to also buy a compatible fast charger so these two can work together. And also a little warning, if you are charging your tablet from PC or laptop, this may cause really slow charging and it will take a lot of more time than basic wire charging. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.